Hi students, we are going to learn the book back exercise of the lesson, the man of science. What we have learned in this lesson? Yes, if we have a willpower, we can do anything. We can achieve the higher position. Yes. Now take your book, page number 44. Arrange these events in Hawkins' life. We learn about the Hawkins' life, right? We want to rearrange this line. What is the first line here? Yes, got a first. In the first one, see in the first side, fifth one, got a first in physics from Oxford. First he got a position physics in Oxford. Yes, he do the physics subject college in Oxford. Yes, what is the second sentence? Yes, diagnosed with motor neuron disease. Diagnosed with motor neuron disease. At the second side, last one. Diagnosis with motor neuron disease. At the final year of this physics doing in the Oxford University, at that time he got motor neuron disease. Then what is happened in the Hawkins' life? Yes, married Jane. Then he got Big Bang really happened. Yes, proved the Big Bang really happened. So before that one we want to put 4. Yes, next one, fifth one, discovered Hawking radiation. Yes, next one, elected fellow of the Royal Society. He is elected as the fellow. First one. Next, seventh one, appointed the Lucasian professor of mathematics professor appoint panna pattaru. Next one, completely lost the disability to speak. Then he is not able to speak, so he is completely not able to speak. Next, ninth one, got a speech synthesizer to communicate. Got a speech synthesizer or artificial machine use பண்ணி பேச ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. Wrote a brief history of time. Then he write the book in 1988. What is the book name? Yes, the brief history of time. Next, what is the 11th point? Yes, appeared the Simpsons. Then he is appeared in the Simpsons. Yes, that situational comedy. Yes, that one. Next, last one is stepped down from the post of Lucasian professor. Why he stepped down? Yes, he felt very ill, very sick. So he left from that Lucasian professor job. Yes. So after 3 you want to put. So mark your number 6, 7, 8, 4, 1, 11, 3, 12, 10, 5, 9, 2. Yes, this is one of your details. So learn it. Okay, with the order you want to learn. Okay, now let me move to the vocabulary junction. In the same page, see, in 1999, Hawking made his first guest appearance in the popular American sitcom. What is meant by sitcom? We learned, right? Yes, situational comedy. See, sitcom. This it means situational. Okay, this com means comedy. See, both words are connected in one word. Okay, this is called portmanteau. See here, the word sitcom is a combination of 2 different words. Situational one different word, comedy one different word. Yes, it is like compound words, but compound words is little different from this, right? Yes, situation and comedy. The first part of both the words join to form the new word. So first part means this sit, this com. இந்த ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து ஒரு புது வேர்ட் உருவாக்குது. ஓகே, இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல உள்ள சிட்டும் இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல உள்ள காம் சேர்ந்து sitcom. So framing a new word. To form the new word with the meaning of its own. Such words are called portmanteau. Sitcom. Sitcom means this first sit, this first com. Two combine and frame a new word sitcom. This is called portmanteau. Okay. See here. So take your book, page number 45. A portmanteau word is formed by blending parts of two words. Blending part means ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட ஏரியாவை பிரிச்சு எடுக்கிறது. ஓகே, அதுல இருந்து எடுத்து நியூ வேர்ட் யூஸ் பண்றது. Blending parts of two words. ஒரு இதோட பாதி. The new word refers to a single concept. இந்த இதுவும் சேர்ந்து இதான் ஒரு வேர்டா கிடைக்கும் போது இதுக்கு ஒரு single concept. ஓகேவா? The word portmanteau means a large suitcase. What is the meaning for this portmanteau? Large suitcase. Large suitcase. Okay, means a large suitcase. It is a portmanteau word itself being a combination of two French words. It is in French. Okay, porter. Porter means, see, porter means to carry. Then manteau. Manteau means cloth. So two words, porter. See, this one combined as porter plus manteau. This means cloth. Okay, then this means to carry. Porter சொல்லுவோம்ல, பெட்டி தூக்குறவங்க. Okay, porter. Okay, luggage. See, now some very common examples of portmanteau words are, see, some words are given here. Wikipedia. What is the full form for Wikipedia? Yes, wiki plus encyclopedia. ரெண்டு சேர்ந்ததா Wikipedia. We will search in the net, right? Yes. Next, Medicare. Medicare means medical plus care, combined from the Medicare. See, Medi from the begin, M-E-D-I. Next, care, that care is taken, so it forms portmanteau, right? Next one, brunch. Brunch means breakfast plus lunch. Next, blog. Blog means web plus blog. Log, web. See, B, then log, so both combine and form blog. Next, paratroopers. Paratroopers means parachute plus troopers. Next, camcorder. Camcorder means camera plus recorder. Email. You want to learn this full tabular column. Okay. Email, electronic plus mail. We simply say email, send mail to me, right? Yes, that is electronic plus mail. ரெண்டு சேர்ந்ததுதான் email. Okay. Next, motel. Motel means motor plus hotel. ரெண்டு சேர்ந்ததுதான் motel. Okay. Then emoticon, which means emotion plus icon. Next one, mockumentary. Mock plus documentary. ரெண்டு சேர்ந்ததுதான் mockumentary. Edutainment. Edutainment means education plus entertainment. Next, liquor. Liquor means lion plus tiger. ரெண்டு சேர்ந்தது liquor. Next, podcast. Podcast means iPod plus broadcast. Biopic, biography plus picture. Oxbridge. Oxbridge means Oxford University plus Cambridge University. ரெண்டு சேர்த்து சொல்லும்போது Oxbridge. Okay. Now, like this, you want to identify the portmanteau. Okay. Identify portmanteau words in these sentences. See, in the first line, which is the portmanteau? Email. We easily know that. So, underline the word email. Then second one, see, emoticons. Okay, next third one, see, Oxbridge. Oxford plus bridge, Oxbridge. Oxford plus Cambridge, Oxbridge. Okay, next, liquor means it is lion plus tiger. Then last one, podcast. Okay, it is very easy to find, right? Yes, underline these words. Next, let me move to the next Roman letter. Second Roman letter. Look at the pair of sentences. Choose two words from each sentence that can be combined to portmanteau word. இங்க எது எது போர்மெண்டோன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சா இப்போ இந்த போர்மெண்டோல இருந்து என்ன ரெண்டு வேர்டு பிரிஞ்சு வருதுங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே, see here, first you want to underline the two words, then you want to frame the portmanteau. See first one, education, entertainment. Education and entertainment சேர்ந்தா என்ன வரும்? So you underline the word education, then underline the word entertainment, both combine and form the word edu. You want to write full, okay? Education plus entertainment. You want to underline first, then you want to write education, then you want to write entertainment, then you want to write edutainment. Edutainment. Okay, next one. Parachute troopers. Paratroopers. 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 Next one, smoke plus fog. Smog. Smog. Okay, next one, biographies, pictures. Biographies and pictures. Combine and frame the word biopics. Biopics. Okay, next last one, mock plus documentary. Mock plus documentary. Mockumentary. Okay, these are the words. Okay, next one, read the sentences and complete the portmanteau words. See first one, clay dash is a portmanteau of clay and animation. Clayயும் animationும் சேர்ந்தா என்ன word கிடைக்கும்? Yes, claymation. So first one is clay. Clay is already given there, so you want to write mation. Second one, take next page, page number 46. Dash graphic is a blend of information and graphic. Information or graphic சேர்ந்தா என்ன வரும்? Graphic is already given, so from the information what part we want to take? Info. So info is the answer. Already graphic is given there. Next, third one, dash is a blend of drama and comedy. Drama and comedy சேர்ந்தா dramedy. Okay, dramedy. Next, fourth one, dash data is a portmanteau of anecdotal and data. Anecdotal and data. So data is given there, so anecdata. Next, last one, dash is a portmanteau of a boat and hotel. Motor and hotel means motel. Boat and hotel means, yes, botel. Okay, botel. Okay, next one, see, I am going to give some words. You want to find the portmanteau for these words. I am going to recite. Just listen carefully. Take your pen or pencil and take note. Start marking. Okay. Find 10 more portmanteau words and the words they are derived from. Okay. Now I will say information plus commercial. Information plus commercial. Second one, motor plus hotel. Already we know, right? Yes. Third one, shopping plus alcoholic. Shopping plus alcoholic. Next, fourth one, foreign plus exchange. Foreign plus exchange. Then fifth one, favorite plus icon. Favorite plus icon. Favorite plus icon. Favorite plus icon. And sixth one, malicious plus software. Did you know the spelling? One spelling means take it from here. Malicious plus software. You want to write like that? In Tamil we can say, right? சேர்த்தலுக அது மாதிரி எழுதணும். Plus போட்டு ரெண்டு சேர்த்தலும். Okay, malicious plus software. Next, seventh one, advertising plus entertainment. Advertising plus entertainment. Next, eighth one, cinema plus complex. Cinema plus complex. Ninth one, web plus log. It is easy, already we learned, right? Yes. Web plus log. Next, 10th, last one, work plus alcoholic. Work plus alcoholic. Work plus alcoholic. Work plus alcoholic. Did you finish? Yes. Let me move to the pronunciation junction. See, look at these sentences from the passage. See the dark letters, dark word, crippled, sitting. See, crippled. Crippled. Then sitting. See, PP, TT. But how we are pronouncing this? Crippled. Like this we are pronouncing sitting. Like this we are pronouncing no. We are taking this two consonant. What is mean by consonant? Consonant means except vowel. All the alphabets are consonant. Okay? Except vowel means what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. Except these five vowels, all the remaining alphabets are consonants. So P, P, T, T, these are consonants, right? So here double. Yes, doubled here. But we are pronouncing as a single. What I said, did you understand? Yes, இங்க வந்து ரெண்டு லெட்டரா நம்ம கொடுக்கிறோம், ரெண்டு கான்சனன்ட் லெட்டர் கொடுக்கிறோம், but we are pronouncing as a single thing. Crippled, sitting, right? Not we are saying sitting, crippled, right? Okay, next see two more examples. See, for example, dinner, tunnel, pebble, supper, manner, immaterial, lesson, illiterate. See, all having double, dinner, double N, tunnel, double N, pebble, double P. But we are saying pebble, not bubble, right? So, supper, manner, double N, immaterial, double M, lesson, double S. But we are saying lesson, not lesson, right? Yes, illiterate. Now see in the success word. See, S-U, success, S-U, C-C-E-S-S. See, double C is here. But we are pronouncing success, not we are pronouncing success, right? So, single pronunciation we are taking. See, now I am going to give some words. You want to find that pronunciation which are pronounced as a single, right? Yes, take down the word. First one, potter, potter, பானை செய்வாங்கல்ல, potter, P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. Second one, attention, attention. Third one, narrow, narrow. Fourth one, wedding. Fourth one, wedding. Fifth one, village. Okay? Okay, students, it is easy to find, right? Yes, two consonant letter is pronounced as the single letter. Okay, this is the pronunciation junction we learned today. Okay? Okay, students, I go, it is a homework time. Your homework is, I give 10 words in portmanteau, right? Find the portmanteau for that 10 words and learn and write the detail. Learn and write the detail. And also now I give 5 words, right? Like this you can find 10 more words. This is your homework. I give 3 homework. One is you want to write, learn and write the detail, and the another one is for the 10 portmanteau you want to find the portmanteau, and the third homework is pronunciation junction. Like this 2 consonant words you want to find more, find 10 more words. Okay, okay students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you students.